You are going to love the 2008 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, center armrest, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, power windows, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.